How to turn on iMessage waiting for activation. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can fix iMessage waiting for activation issues, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you've been having the iMessage waiting for activation maybe during a FaceTime call or whatever else you're doing, there are a couple of ways to get around this. The very first thing you want to do is simply open up settings, and then once you open up settings, just look for the application called Messages, then just tap on it. Then over here you can see iMessages. First of all, I'd recommend you turn it off, and then you simply want to come back. Then once you come back, just make sure to actually enable airplane mode. So turn on airplane mode. After you've turned it on for a while, just turn it off back again. Then open up your Wi-Fi and then make sure you're connected to the network. Now open up settings again, and then just make sure to go to the same option called Messages, and then turn on the toggle next to iMessages, and you can send and receive. You want to make sure to turn all of this on. Next thing you want to check is to simply go to the option called General, then go to Software Update. Check if your iOS is updated to the latest version. If it isn't, then make sure to definitely update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.